In this video, we will be going over the 5 best digital oscilloscopes for 2025. Whether you're a professional engineer, electronics hobbyist, or student, these oscilloscopes offer impressive accuracy, display quality, and advanced features to match a variety of needs and budgets. Check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Let's get started. Number 5. Aneng AOS02. The Aneng AOS02 Digital Oscilloscope, where precision meets versatility. This compact powerhouse offers a sampling rate of 48 megasamples per second and 10 MHz analog bandwidth, making it ideal for electronics diagnostics, whether you are a professional or an enthusiast. Switch effortlessly between digital oscilloscope and multimeter modes with its intelligent dual-function design. The 2.8-inch IPS full-view color screen delivers vivid, high-contrast visuals, ensuring every waveform and reading is crystal clear from any angle. One standout feature is automatic waveform recognition. With just a press of the auto button, the AOS2 analyzes and displays the waveform automatically. Probe calibration is also simple. Connect your probe, press auto, and check for proper waveform compensation. Saving your work is just as easy. Long press the Save key to store data. When connected to a PC, you can navigate the menu to save or export waveform images, supported by a 64 kilopoint storage depth. For safety, the AOS2 is built with dual overload protection fuses and high-performance chips, ensuring accuracy and stability. It runs on a 2000 mAh lithium battery, rechargeable via USB Type-C, with customizable auto shutdown for power efficiency. From testing transistors to capturing complex waveforms, the Aneng AOS2 delivers reliable performance and smart protection in one durable tool. Number 4. Bside O9. The Bside O9 Digital Oscilloscope is a powerful 3-in-1 tool, combining a digital oscilloscope, a true RMS multimeter, and a function signal generator. Designed for professionals and hobbyists alike, it delivers dual-channel waveform analysis, with a 50 MHz analog bandwidth and a 250 megasamples per second sampling rate, ensuring accurate and fast signal measurement. Its one-click automatic range adjustment makes setup quick and intuitive, while built-in high-voltage protection supports peak voltage measurements up to 400 volts and alternating current voltages up to 750 volts. The 3.98-inch high-definition, full-view TFT display provides a resolution of 480 by 320 pixels, allowing for clear and precise data viewing. The multimeter function supports 6,000-count true RMS measurements, covering alternating current and direct current voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, diode, continuity, and even temperature. A standout feature is the built-in direct digital synthesis signal generator, capable of outputting 7 types of function signals with adjustable frequency, amplitude, and duty cycle up to 2 MHz. Compatible with flexible current clamps, it allows current measurement up to 2000 amperes, greatly expanding its functionality. You can store up to 36 waveform records and transfer data to a computer via high-speed export. Powered by a 5000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, the O9 delivers up to 10 hours in oscilloscope mode and 24 hours in multimeter mode. Number 3. Tooltop ET829. The Tooltop ET829 Digital Oscilloscope is a 3-in-1 multifunctional device that combines an 80 MHz dual-channel digital storage oscilloscope, a true RMS 6,000-count multimeter, and a 1 Hz to 5 MHz signal generator, all in a compact, portable unit. With a real-time sampling rate of 250 megasamples per second and an 80 MHz analog bandwidth, it captures high-precision waveforms for professional-level analysis. The dual channels allow simultaneous signal monitoring, ideal for automotive diagnostics, power repair, and general circuit testing. Its user-friendly interface features one-button automatic waveform measurement and zero correction. The built-in waveform preview window improves efficiency by letting you visualize the entire signal at a glance. Data storage is another highlight. Save up to 200 waveform records, 2,000 multimeter measurements, and 2,000 automatic data logs. The built-in signal generator outputs sin, triangle, and square waveforms with independently adjustable frequency and amplitude, working in sync with the oscilloscope. A 2.8-inch TFT color display with 320 by 240 pixel resolution and adjustable LED backlight ensures clear visibility. Powered by an 18,650 mAh lithium battery, it supports 15-watt fast charging and offers up to 10 hours of continuous use. Additional features include 3 trigger modes: cursor measurement, relative value functions, and self-calibration. Connect to PC software for advanced waveform analysis, fast Fourier transformation, and curve plotting. Number 2. Zeeweii DSO3D12. The Zeeweii DSO3D12 is a 3-in-1 digital oscilloscope that combines a high-performance oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator in one compact desktop design. With an impressive 120 MHz bandwidth and a 500 megasamples per second equivalent sampling rate, this oscilloscope offers fast and accurate signal acquisition for all your electronics projects. The dual-channel setup allows for simultaneous waveform analysis, and the built-in high-precision multimeter supports voltage, current, resistance, diode, continuity, and capacitance measurements, all with fast calibration and high accuracy. The multimeter is isolated from the oscilloscope to prevent interference and ensure precise readings. The signal generator provides a wide range of waveforms, including sine, square, triangle, and half wave, with a frequency adjustment range from 0 to 2 MHz. This makes the Zeeweii DSO3D12 versatile for various applications like automobile maintenance, home appliance repair, and electronic debugging. Its 3.2-inch IPS display delivers crystal-clear visuals from any angle, and you can customize the colors of Channel 2 waveforms for better clarity. The oscilloscope also features peak 400-volt anti-burn protection and isolation, ensuring safe and reliable operation. With a compact desktop design and user-friendly features, the Zeeweii DSO3D12 is a perfect tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, making it ideal for everything from basic R&D to complex troubleshooting. Number 1. Fnirsi 2 C23T. The Fnirsi 2 C23T is a 3-in-1 digital oscilloscope that combines high performance with portability and precision, making it a versatile tool for professionals, educators, and hobbyists. With a 10 MHz bandwidth and a 50 megasamples per second real-time sampling rate, this oscilloscope provides accurate waveform analysis. The dual-channel design and 320 by 240 pixel resolution 2.8-inch LCD display ensure clear visualization, while the vertical sensitivity range of 200 millivolts per division to 10 volts per division allows precise measurement. This device also serves as a high-precision multimeter, capable of 10,000 count measurements, supporting alternating current voltage up to 750 volts, direct current voltage up to 999.9 volts, current up to 99.999 microamperes, resistance up to 99.99 megohms, and capacitance up to 99.99 microfarads. It also offers diode testing and continuity checks, making it a complete tool for electrical diagnostics. The built-in signal generator can output 7 types of waveforms, including sine, square, and triangle waves, with a maximum frequency of 2 MHz and 1 Hz resolution, perfect for testing and calibration tasks. Powered by a 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, the Fnirsi 2C23T offers up to 6 hours of standby time and supports 5V 1 ampere charging via Type-C interface. With its compact design and advanced features, this oscilloscope is a reliable choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. There you have it, the 5 best digital oscilloscopes for 2025. Each one brings a great mix of performance, reliability, and functionality for your testing and measurement tasks. Make sure to explore the links in the description for updated pricing and more information. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews.